Alright guys, there's the time. I'm going for our 620. And we're gonna ride the elevators in the south tower of the Hyatt Regency Hotel, McCormick Place in Chicago, Illinois. And here's Chicago elevators. And you know what guys? Let's ride the low-rise ones. And we got this one over here. Oh, we got two at the same time. We're gonna take this one. So now we're gonna head up to 20. It's number 20. Now we're gonna watch the indicators. That was pretty fast.
Yeah. It's traction.
So here are 20. And yours sort of popped.
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna send it down to the lobby and get another elevator. So let that one go. Call that one. And this tower has. Oh, that was fast. We got this one over here. And I really love those chimes that they have on these elevators.
There's me in the mirror.
And there's me, hi.
So now let's go back to the lobby.
Yeah, send it back to the lobby.
It's a really nice elevator.
Yeah, it's got a cat view. It's got a mirrored ceiling. Hi.
This elevator is a beauty.
There's also me in the mirror. Hello. And me again. Hi.
Oh, my ears are popped here.
It's got indicators on both sides. It's also got fixtures on both sides. And your phone is in here if I can get it open. I don't know. Let's switch over to the high-rise bank, which is over here, and which one of the elevators left. But we're gonna get some more. And these elevators have to serve 1 through 4 and 21 through 33. And we got this one over here, right behind us. So you set up to the top floor. Yeah, these ones go all the way up to 33, but they skip 5 through 20. Strangely, this one smells a little like food.
Yeah.
Like kind of like chicken strips. Now we're in the express zone.
Didn't say ease.
Yeah, it doesn't say
easy. Or
it doesn't say easy. It just says 441. That says 21.
Whoa, it's a little rumble. Oh.
Yeah, my ears popped again.
Again, yeah.
Man, these are fun to ride. So now we're gonna send that one down to the lobby and get another high-rise elevator. So there that one goes. And yeah, I'll wait for another elevator. Here's the directory. And here's the elevator bank we are right now. And it seems like the elevator behind the main bank is a service elevator or something.
And my battery is dying, so we have to...
Yeah, I hope it makes it. But here's the floor directory if you want to pause it the video to look at it real quick.
The evacuation plan.
And this elevator bank, like this tower also has a bank of 4 elevators, as you can see. And here's a fire alarm for all our fire alarm fans. And we got this one right here. So now we're gonna head back down to the lobby.
Nice guy. Here's elevator 100.
Hi. And there's Chicago elevators.
Hello?
So now we're gonna film going back down.
Here's cameras on both sides.
You can kind of see me here. Hello. And you got a screen up there.
This is where the button goes out.
Man, my ears are popping like crazy right now. So we've got indicators on both sides. And fixtures on both sides. And also if you do plan for these elevators, make sure to not do between 9 p.m. and 5 a.m. But anyways, and here is your phone. Cannot seem to get it open, but there's your secret inspection. No, oh what? What the? Okay, that's strange. I can't hold door open, but there's secret inspection.
Right.
We're gonna move on before the elevator goes into nudge mode. There it goes, and that's will be it.